Now I want to start to move into developing ways to achieve your visions and developing lots of ways. So now we're moving into the how. We're moving into the hows, which that's not, of course, an English word, so we'll call it multiple action plans. That's where we're headed right now, along with continuing to vision. We're going to look at how you're going to get there. The multiple action plans, or I call these maps. I really like the idea of maps versus directions, because if you want to get from where you are to where you want to go, if you get directions, it's like a recipe. It's one way. If you stop somebody and say, look, I'm here and I want to get across town to the theater, and they give you directions. Well, you just go down this street, you turn right, go 3 blocks, turn left, you can't miss it. But the problem is if there's a bridge out, you miss it. That's the problem with directions. It's one way. That's the problem with most people when they go to solve a problem. They come up with one way. If that doesn't work, then they come up with a second way. What I want you to do is to come up with at least 20 ways. That way, if one way is not working, you just pull out your map and you see a whole bunch of different routes. That's the advantage of having a map versus directions. So we're going to start creating multiple ways to get to your most important futures.